Hobart Hurricanes Women vs Melbourne Stars Women, 12th T20 match, Women's Big Bash League 2024-25. Hobart Hurricanes Women won the toss, elected to bat first. Melbourne Stars Women playing 11. Hobart Hurricanes Women playing 11. Lizelle Lee, 4 runs. Dunni White-Hodge, 4 runs. Nicola Carey, 44 runs, 1 wickets. Ellis Villani captain, 11 runs. Heather Graham, 8 runs, 2 wickets. Chloe Tryon, 35 runs, no wicket. Tabka Sabile, 7 runs. Catherine Briss, 11 runs, no wicket. Molly Strando, 0, no wicket. Lauren Smith, did not bat, no wicket. Amy Smith, did not bat, no wicket. Hobart Hurricanes Women total innings score 133 at loss of 7 wickets, after 20 overs. Yastika Bhatia, 57 runs. Insm King, 6 runs. Meg Lanning, 27 runs. Annabelle Sutherland captain, 26 runs, no wicket. Marizan Nekar, 15 runs, 2 wickets. Deepti Sharma, did not bat, 1 wickets. Tess Flintoff, did not bat, 1 wickets. RHYS McKenna, did not bat. King Guard, did not bat, 2 wickets. Sophie Day, did not bat, 1 wickets. Messi Gibson, did not bat, no wicket. Melbourne Stars Women total innings scored 136 at loss of 3 wickets, after 17.5 overs. Stars won by 7 wickets, with 13 balls remaining. Player of the match, Yastika Bhatia for 57 runs in 46 balls. Women's Big Bash League, after this match, top run scorer, Elise Perry, 166 runs. Top wicket taker, Sophie Molineux, 9 wickets. Points table, Sydney Thunder Women is at top position with 4 points in 3 matches. If you liked our content, then please like, share and subscribe.